Dear students, I'm going to show you the format of a 10-mark story for the first year intermediate level. The title of the story is Honesty is the Best Policy. We start the story by writing the question number first, then we write the title or the heading story writing. Next, we mention the moral of the story, which is honesty is the best policy. We start our story by writing a general paragraph, a paragraph which tells us that why do we write or why do we narrate stories and how stories help inculcate the moral values of individuals and the nation. Then we come to the second paragraph, which is a moral based paragraph. In this paragraph we write 4 to 5 sentences about the moral on which we are about to write the story, and then we come toward the main thing on the main part of the story. We write the entire story in one paragraph in a one go, and then we end the story with the main moral and the other possible morals of the story. So when we write our story using this format, we are expected to get the maximum marks in our exams.